Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do this beautiful headband. You see? Okay. I'm gonna use a different kind of yarn, but the result is gonna be the same. Let's find the start. Okay. We're going to start with a slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in our slip knot. Double crochet. And in the circle, in the center, here, we're going to do 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to do a slip stitch here at the first slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to turn the work like this. Now we have to do 7 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3 again, 2, 3, and in this space here we are going to do a slip knot. Here you see, here we are going to do a slip knot. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and here we're going to do 7 more crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crochet. 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip knot here in this stitch. In this stitch, slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and make 7 double crochet in this space. Sorry, double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 3 again and make a slip stitch here in this chain. You see here we're going to do a slip stitch. Continue like this until you reach your desired length, and I'll see you next. Now that you have reached your desired length, you are going to do your last set of 7 crochet without chaining 3 at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We not chain 3, but we make a slip stitch. We make a slip stitch as before in this chain. Slip stitch. Now we have to end our work. What you have to do is to connect the 2 edges. Here, you see? Use either your hook, either a needle, whatever you want. I'm gonna use my hook. And connect the 2 edges. I'm gonna use the hook and I'm going to connect with slip knots. It's easier and faster than the needle to me, but if you want, you can use a needle and a piece of yarn, whatever you want. Okay. Cut the yarn. And here's your headband. Hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like it. See you at the next video.